Yes, my people, my fanatics, my audience, my folks. This one is the Squash Boss and the World Boss. Shut! Shellings, my people. Listen, I made the tune for time, you know. You see me, the man, them read them Bible when them touch the road. And Cartel say everything can be the same. Feelings in the song is touching. Every day cannot be the same. You understand? Yeah, man. You have to have better days, basically. That's what Cartel say. You see me? Every day can't be the same. The youth them a pray. May I pray. You understand? Every day can't be the same. You understand? Big up to the whole of the ghetto youth them where I try. The man them who sell them peanut. The man them who still even make greater. The man them who fix shoes. You understand? The man them who pump gas. You understand? And they don't know. Straight up me a youth like that. Me know the people them real in society. The people who look after people, kids in their house and them thing there. You know what I mean? House, wife. You understand? Family people. Big up on yourself. Get a youth on the street where feel like you can't hold it down no more. Just go and hold it faith. You understand? Go and read in the Bible like what Squash Boss say, you see me? And like what the World Boss say, you see me? Because every day can't be the same. You understand? We keep shoving, we keep going, we keep doing what we have to do. We have to work hard, we do what we have to do. So every day will not be the same. And of course, congratulations to the World Boss and his million subscriber on his YouTube page. Congratulations on that. That's an amazing achievement. Given that you're up behind the bars, you understand? So hopefully when them look over everything and review over everything, we get to realize people wasn't trying to set up a DJ Palmer. Now let's separate Vybz Kartel from the person we're incarcerated at the moment. So a DJ Palmer and the whole man them, you understand? Sean Storm, big up on yourself, you understand what I mean? And I hope, I set the man them, try and set up the man them. I hope that. You understand? And blessing and goodness, you know what I mean? And we'll always give the ghetto youth them the benefit of the doubt, you understand? And dirty government all over the world, the dirty government them. Dirty government provide something for the youth them to do. Yeah? The devil's work only is done by idle hands. I will say that again. If you don't like it, comment, share, subscribe. Idle work is only done by the devil's hand. You understand? See? So anytime people have stuff to do, them are go idle. And when them are idle, them not read no what? No Bible. Them not listen. You understand? You see it? So, big up World Boss, big up the Squash Boss, big up all of the Six Movement, big up all of the Gaza Society, big up all of the people them, big up all of the youth them with Vybz Kartel Boss, the whole of the youth them with Squash Boss I care up in a whole thing and everything, you understand? And you see me? We see man make moves with Ramesh them and that, you know what I mean? So, hopefully it's a good union, you know what I mean? And things can work. And my people, song special. Yeah man. And one or two people me say that song has sent chills down them spine. You understand? I put cold bump on them body, a ghost bump or whatever people call it, wherever they're from. But all make head swell on them thing there. You understand? Now all what the Squash Boss say is that enough man even know. Yeah, and like what Squash was saying, enough of the man them don't know say all hungry night the man them have to bear, you know what I mean? And whole heap of things the man them have to go through. You understand? So Cartel say, and like when we are saying at the last video, where the Sammy plant can and then kill him for. When you do your thing, like how Squash Boss and World Boss them do them thing, there's always people who want to get you out. You understand? People who want to fight against your progress. People who want to fight against what you do. To try and enhance yourself, enhance your community, enhance your family, you know what I mean? And your friend them around you. You understand? So every day can't be the same, you understand? We pray for better days, we pray for hope, you understand? And just like where Cartel say, you know what I mean? Why they want to get us out? Why do they want to fight us out? Why ghetto youth life so hard, you know what I mean? And why as you do something for yourself, you know what I mean? Squash and say, why they take it for a fugitive, why they take it for a bad man when you just do your thing, when they just try to make a life. You understand? As you know, they had Squash up behind the bars, you know what I mean? And some liquor altercation and thing, we can go check it out and all of them things there, you know what I mean? So congratulations to you, my boss, you know what I mean? Squash Boss and World Boss, the two bosses, the new bosses, you know what I mean? The younger bosses, look after yourself, take care of the environment, take care of the neighborhood and them things there, you know what I mean? Cause remember me telling you, look after the school children, because when we not go to school, it was alright, you see it? That's why we're here now to talk where we are talking and walk where we are walking, you understand? Because people don't look after we, you know, it take a whole village to raise a youth, and it's not only the family and the household inside, because the person inside the house may raise the youth really well, and this youth decide that they're going to be wild and mad. So the community, the whole village have to look out for them, you know, and we have to look out for the younger ones and the younger tribe and the younger generation, them who are coming, you know what I mean? So the amount of black blood and black DNA don't get depleted and wipe out completely, you know what I mean? So that's big up to the whole of the youth, them, you know what I mean? We try shove and I try do them thing, you know what I mean? Early morning here, you understand? Big up to the wives, big up to the husbands, them, you know what I mean? Big up to the people them who want to become better, you know what I mean? And people trying to tell you that you can't become better, you can. You understand? Just like what Chronic say, you can, man. You understand? Blessing on the family, man, over and out, man. We love you, you see it. My fanatics, my audience, my folks, my people, hitting the real with a good beverage. What? Boom, bam, bam, wham, Freedom Street, Word Pass, Free Pass, bam, whoop, ha. 6 movement, them and them thing live. You understand? Honorable mention said way to my thugs. We don't know, you understand? Big up yourself. You understand? And when we say thugs, you know what I mean? Look it up. It's not like how they mean thug. You know what I mean? Look it up how Tupac say it mean. You understand? So, at the end of the day, and I want to honorable mention to, like, you know, Black Sun, you understand? Big up yourself, Black Sun, because put up Black Sun video and respond to me. So big up yourself, son, every time, you understand? And coming up real soon, they're going to real hard with a Black Sun review, you understand? Tough review, you know what I mean? Because I like when I video when drop and I tell you the man thing clean. Up there, my people, you understand? Big up Coffee at the same time. Over, out, man. Don't know. Out.